And with our old system, we saw a tremendous number of false positives. Our fraud analysts were making an average of about 80 customer calls a day, which led to a lot of customer frustration and, I will say, employee disengagement. And we needed to find a solution that would look just beyond the point of entry on an account, but a solution that would examine all of the usage factors in a systematic way. And basically, we just needed to have a more intelligent and comprehensive solution. As the team says, we want to work smarter, not harder.
Let's review a fraud incident and see how our business banking fraud detection product can detect anomalies in real time by immediately evaluating the risk of the session to the account. Session 84 received a medium risk level,
colored yellow,
because the account has a failed login activity from an unusual location. Risk factors are also raised for unusual operating system and browser, which means there is a change of the user's login device. When the session is received within the hour, the risk is elevated to high because additional anomalies are detected, including a new device being registered for multi-factor authentication. Remember, in session 84, the fraudster may have attempted to log in and failed. In this session, the fraudster seems to have defeated the multi-factor authentication and added his own device to minimize the risk of exposure. When the application received the final session of this fraud incident a few minutes later, the session remained as high risk with an increased risk score due to the occurrence of a wire transfer to an unknown recipient. At any point when the user activity is received, Guardian Analytics can send the risk score of the account back to your banking platform at real time, which enables your platform to trigger risk-based authentication or other mitigation methods. The wire fraud detection product can instruct the wire processor to place a high-risk wire on hold, allowing time for a fraud analyst to validate that wire. To document their investigation, a fraud analyst can create a case against the wire alert and document the finding, the resolution, and the transaction amount at risk. If the analyst decides that the wire should be canceled, they can do so by the click of a button.